Hello everyone, my name is CryptoStef and welcome to my video about technical analysis of Bitcoin and the crypto market. First, before we start, please like the video and put the subscribe button and notification bell if you like me to continue to provide you quality content. And let's continue with the technical analysis. Bitcoin currently is pointing out, let's see on another exchange, because it's Gemini, let's see Coinbase. So currently Bitcoin is pointing a bullish engulfing candle. We have 5 to 6 hours till the close, and we currently are retesting the previous support, now turn resistance, which is the 9100. And if you look left, here is your resistance, which was the previous support, and the price broke through like butter. Currently Bitcoin on the daily, we have a daily buy signal, but it's not confirmed. Potential hidden bullish divergence on the daily. If you look at the indicator, which is the Williams %R, we have a hidden bullish divergence, but we need to break some key resistance points before we go bullish. So here is your resistance, here is your supply line. So currently we are making possibly some kind of falling wedge, or maybe descending broadening wedge, however you want to point this out. We're currently possibly correcting if and probably if we want to be bullish on the price, we want to see a retest of this high 9100, then a higher low, and then continuation. So that's how I think about BTC. On the daily, we have a hidden bullish divergence, but it's not confirmed yet. So his resistance is 9100, and if this is broken, then we can say we are bullish. Currently, we're sitting above the 200 EMA on the daily. On the weekly, let's see. On the weekly, we're retesting the 21 weekly EMA, which is the difference between a bull and bear market. If you see, always the price went to the 55 max. So if we want to be bullish, probably we need to see some candle like this, which is a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly, and after that we can say with certainty that this is a bullish continuation. Let's go to other alts. Ethereum USD. Ethereum USD retesting the 0618 on the Fibonacci retracement, and was, if you bought this, you're the champ. So retesting the weekly support, and I have the chart about Ethereum. So my target for Ethereum, if this high is broken about 360, my target for Ethereum is probably in the 600 range somewhere. First resistance is 400, and after that 600, based on monthly and weekly resistance. So currently key support is $210, and Ethereum is more bullish than let's say BTC. So that's for how I play. Currently 4-hour double bottom, and we want to see if this is a continuation. We want to see break of 215. If 215 is broken, then you place where the price went, and you see that from there your target will be $263. So let's see if Ethereum breaks this 2003-4. If it breaks, your target is 260. Let's see other coins. LTC USD. LTC USD, you had a holding wedge structure and a breakout. So your target for this is $64. This is on, let's see, on the daily. So daily below the 200 EMA golden cross, then below the 200 EMA, which is not good for Litecoin. And if this wants to be bullish, we want to see breaking higher than $64, and probably something like this is making parallel channel. So if this $64 is broken, your next target will be $75. Let's see other coins. Ethereum, which is interesting. Atom today is winner. Atom. So Atom, you have, let's see the supports, the trend line, if it's broken. So not broken on Kraken. Let's see Atom USDT. So on currently sitting on support line, Ethereum USD, Atom USD, sorry, but not promising. Let's see on the weekly. So on the weekly we had a fractal break, so as long as the price is below 396, it's a short opportunity. So Atom USD currently in demand zone and probably making some kind of bearish flag. So if this is broken, your next probable target is 5.47 for Atom. Currently sitting in a uptrending channel, but this is from a downtrend. So probably if you want to see Fibonacci retracement, so where the price went, so it retested the 0618 and currently is sitting in this below this support, which is critical. So not great for, no, it's not looking great for Atom USD. If this closes and its support, then probably it's going to retest then and probably going higher, lower than it, based on technicals. Remove drawings. Another coin which is interesting, ADA USD. So ADA USD retesting this weekly support. Your next level of resistance is probably this high, and if you bought this, you want to sell to resistance, and that's 20% gain. On the daily, see a clear bullish, which is not yet confirmed, bullish engulfing candle sitting on support, broken the fractal, but it's currently sitting on weekly support. So if you want to be bullish, you want to see ADA going above $0.06, and that's for ADA. Currently making probably an ABC correction, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, maybe coming to to lower prices. And let's see where on Fibonacci retracement tool, use the high and the low. So directly on the golden pocket, but I'm not. So we have a hidden bullish divergence, but clearly no, there is no trend for. Probably if this closes like this, it's a reversal, but it's below the 200, and then if it falls below this, and it's a great short. So because there is no clear support, probably here is your next support for ADA 00. If this breaks, your next support is lower than this, or you can go with the Fibonacci retracement tool, and you can see your next level is 0.68 and the next level is 0.86. So that's for ADA, mini Cardano. Many people want to buy Cardano, and that's that. So other things that I wanted to tell is that I put a Patreon page. So if you want me to special content for just for you, I have 2 tiers. So you have one tier is you have early access to my charts. I posted first here, and I have price updates, alert systems, which is on Telegram, and gives you 5 minutes, 10 minutes alerts from directly from my computer, and it's 24/7. And the 10 euros per month is trading signals on Binance Pair. We have voting power. We can do live stream, Q&A, and Discord and Telegram community chat. So, and previously of that, I don't have any FIP yet. So if you want me to, if you take a value from this, you can support me on Patreon. So my Patreon is CryptoSteph. So you can use CryptoSteph. Let's see if there is CryptoSteph. I don't know why. It's maybe I haven't published. So if you want me, you can search me for there, and that's that. So thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend, and subscribe to my channel.